So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday, the 11th of April. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we've seen this continued weakness here on the euro against the pound. Well, we did have prices come down towards this major level previously identified in around 87 level. Now we trade slightly below the 87 level, didn't quite get down towards that 86.90, from which we have some found support of the 87 level. Now from this 87 level, we've had this progression here to the upside, tested the 87.20. An area we previously found supporting around 87.20. We'll see if we do get a breakdown in prices from here back down towards that 87 level. If, however, we can break above and hold the 87.20, we then look for price progress towards that 87.50, the very next major horizontal level, while being aware of the 200 and 400 period moving average confluence, sitting slightly below in around that 87.35 and 87.45. There's a 10-pip zone there where we could potentially see sell-side momentum before we get up towards that 87.50. If, however, we do break above and hold the 87.50 level, we're then looking for prices to progress towards that 87.83. Wouldn't anticipate prices going all the way up towards that 87.83, possibly 87.60 or 87.70. May just be the far end of the range here on the euro pound to the upside. Now, if we were to see a breakdown from where we are at the 87.20, or we do see a breakdown further up at the 87.30s and 40s, or so, we're then looking for price progress down towards the 87, beyond which we're looking for price progress down towards a very strong major level of the 86.63. Don't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 86.63 here. If we were to move beyond the 86.63, we'll be looking for price progress down towards that 86 level, the very next major level. But again, I won't anticipate going to focus. The volatility is quite low in the euro pound. It tends to be a range bound currency pair. Now we'll have a brief look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the euro pound. If we have a look at the daily chart, we get scale on the year correct. We can see that even though we're in a bit of a range for a pretty long time, we've had a strong progression here to downside, brief retracement, had further sell-side momentum. Now, sell-side momentum seems to be dissipating, so there is a possibility of forming a higher low. So we have a low, potentially a higher low, and for prices progress upwards and challenge the all swing highs just here. Let's just clear that up a little bit. Just bear with me a second here, if my technology would work. There we are. Challenge these swing highs here. With that said, that wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.